Hi guys, welcome at Forex Traders. My name is Marian Riavec and today we will go through a very important topic, more specifically how much money you can actually make from Forex trading. Alright, so maybe you're just starting out, maybe you are already in a trading and you're really curious how much money can a profitable Forex trader make. Alright, so this will be a topic for today. And now let's jump into the presentation. So there's a quick disclaimer or warning before we continue, and it's the following. This video, guys, might strongly change and shift your opinion about trading, alright? So as you probably know, my mission and my tone of communications, my goal is really to ground you. My goal is really to give you the real side of Forex trading, okay, which is not get rich quick, which is not fancy and in the clouds and fancy cars and watch. It's not like that, okay? It's not like that. It's hard work, okay? And if you don't like that, you can just simply leave this video. But if you're really serious about trading and you really want to pursue trading on a long run, right, then this video might be the best for you. All right, so now let's just, before we start, what is actually swing trading? So simply, swing trading is simply long-term trading weekly, daily, and some traders also trade 4 hourly. All right, so in the past I was also trading 4 hourly and 1 hourly time frame, but due to my when you're in trading for a very long period of time, you figure it out that there's much more than trading in life, all right? And weekly and daily time frame offer us as to traders a lot of time during the day. So we check charts only once per day, okay? And if trading weekly, only once per week. So this is a very huge benefit of swing trading. So the duration of the trades are around from 1 week to few months, okay? The last positions can last for a few months or even years, right, if we catch the strong trend. And the main benefit is, as I said, much less stress because we spend much less time in front of the charts. And how actually swing trading works, okay? Let me just clarify that in one sentence. So you can see here on a picture highs and lows, okay? Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, okay? And we simply buy or sell on these swings, okay? We buy low and we sell high, okay? To give you a little bit a little bit of tip right here, in a bullish trend we prefer buying as low as possible, okay? And in a bearish trend we are trying to sell as high as possible, okay? So it depends what kind of a trader you are, but swing traders usually prefer trading with the trend, okay? So counter trend trading with swing trading style is a little bit more advanced and aggressive, all right? And I mean, I practice it, but I don't recommend, if you're just starting out, just trade with the trend, okay? So we simply clarified right now what is swing trading, so buying low and selling high, catching these swing highs, swing lows. And if you would like to know more details how I enter on these areas, there's a free ebook, guys, 3 ways how to use moving averages in a trend, range, and in a reversals. This is how I personally trade with moving averages, guys. So if you're curious, there's a link below and you can download it, all right? So now, guys, let's jump into the presentation. So this video is for you if your mindset, guys, is like, I just want to make 10 pips per day, okay? Or I just want $100 per day or per week, okay? Or I just want one good trade per day and I'll be happy then. That's it. Just one good trade and that's it. Or for example, if you're looking for just some extra cash each month, okay? If you are trading, if your attitude and your mindset towards trading is coming from insecurity, okay, out of, for example, out of fear, out of hope for a better future, okay, trading is not like that. And the reason for that is when you are trading with being insecure, while not having financial stability, you're gambling, okay? You're making emotional decisions, and when you make emotional trading decisions, you fail, okay? And this is why traders fail, because they trade with wrong attitude, okay? They're trading out of fear, based on fear, or oh, I want that, so let's trade and make money quickly. No, you have to start trading when you're financially stable and you're looking for additional opportunity to invest your money, which you have, okay? So this is the cold fact, guys. If you want to ever make money with Forex or in trading, general stocks, anything, cryptocurrencies, anything, we must forget about the money, okay? Because whenever we think about the money, we are very emotional. And whenever we are emotional, we are doing emotional trading decisions. And emotional trading decisions leads to bad trading decisions. And bad trading decisions lead to bad performance, losing money, okay? It's very black and white. So the tip, guys, is just forget about the P&L and money and forget about the pips, but focus on percentages. And let me explain you why percentages. The money will come to you just as a result of trading properly, okay? Simple as that, guys. So you firstly need to trade well, and money will simply follow, okay? It's not so hard to understand. Because again, if we focus on money, we start making emotional trading decisions, and you don't want that. You don't want that, believe me, all right? So measuring your trading performance in percentages is the most optimal and reliable measurement unit. Why? Now let me tell you a quick story. Do you really think real investors care about how much pips or how much money you can make? Come on, guys, come on. They care about percentages. For example, 10% of $1,000 or 10% of $1 million is exactly the same. The investor cares only about percentage growth and the drawdown, because when he hears it, for example, I can make you 10% profit per year, then he immediately starts to calculate how much money you could make him based off his account, which he has, okay? And the only way he can figure it out is that if you speak in percentages, okay? If you say, I did, in the last year, I made $10,000, and he doesn't know, okay, so he would ask you then, what was your account? What was your initial starting balance? Okay? And you would say 100,000. Okay, so then he would say, oh, that's 10%. Okay, now that's the thing. Okay, now you gave me more context. Okay? But for example, if you would say, I started with $10,000 and I made additional $10,000, that means you did around 100% growth. Okay, that's a different thing. So investor needs to know how much percentages you can make and how much percentages you actually lost during that period. So we have to speak the same language. And whenever we focus on percentages, we reduce the emotions. Okay, we reduce it, and then we make more rational decisions. Okay, so if you're interested, what you can focus on is how to make more rational decisions in your life. You can Google it, just providing you value, guys. Okay, so now let's move on. So how much money we can actually make from trading Forex? Okay, and let's get us to the point. So if we use what we have learned already, we now understand that we can talk about dollars or euros, whatever currency, because we can't know, I mean, I don't know how much starting capital you have, okay? So we will talk in percentages, okay? And our goal as a profitable Forex swing trader is to achieve 3 C's: clarity, consistency, and confidence. And that means, guys, that we are here on a long run, for a long run, okay? We're not interested into, at least I'm not interested into, let's trade for the next 6 months and that's it. No, I want to trade for the decades, for my family, for my kids, okay? And that means we have to keep risk low. Why? To survive, to have bullets, to have chances, to have an ability to make mistakes, okay? To survive the upcoming market crash, to survive upcoming bad times, bad market movements, okay? So if you're somehow interested into high risk trading, just stop trading. I get very angry and upset and sad actually when I hear traders want to trade with extremely high risk, okay? You have to keep risk low in order to survive. So how much money you can make by trading Forex? From my experience and from the worldwide experience, facts and statistics, a Forex trader, a profitable Forex trader can make around from 0 to 30% per year. Now you would say, why 0 to 30%? Okay. Look, one year will be very good, 1 year will be average, 1 year will be very bad, but maybe because of your personal reasons, because look, someone might, I don't know, you might get a divorce, all right? And you're much more emotional and that trade might be a little bit worse than other ones. Or for example, your life is perfect, you're very stable, you know what you're doing, market's good, and the year is very good. Okay, so we're humans. Okay, don't be too harsh to yourself. Okay, so we can make from around 0 to 30% per year with low to medium risk profile. Okay, and we'll talk about risk profiles in the future. Okay, and that means around 0 to 3% profit per month. All right, so if you're making around, if you're able to pull out of from the market 30% or more, then you're really above the average trader, all right? But don't consider just profits, but also the drawdown, all right? So if you can make like 50% profit per year with like 40-50% maximum drawdown, then you are not a good trader, all right? So the drawdown and the profit should be around 1 to 2 at least. So if you make, for example, 10% per year, then your maximum drawdown should be around maximum 5%, if not even less, okay? This is ideal, all right? Ideal ratio. So what to do now? Now, what we've learned, so we talk about percentages, okay? So whenever you'll talk with your friend, don't talk about pips, don't talk about money, okay? Talk about percentages, because 10% of 1,000 or 10% of 1 million is the same. It's 10%. All right. So be smart, guys. Be smart. Don't. Whenever I hear a trader talking about money or pips, I immediately know what is his attitude and mindset level. Immediately. All right. And it actually took me few months to shift from changing my group's mindset from pips. We were never talking about money, but we were talking about pips at the beginning, and then I really emphasize percentages, right? Because by percentages, and this is one thing, if you have to remember one thing out of this video, is that percentages reduce the emotions. Okay, whenever you'll talk about money, you will be emotionally influenced and your decisions will be influenced negatively. But whenever you talk about percentages, you are more stable because you know it's more relevant, it's more reliable measurement unit, right? So percentages, start talking about percentages. Okay, so what to do now? Now we have to calculate how much starting capital you have and take that 10% yearly growth as a starting point. And let me explain you why 10%. 95% traders, retail traders, fail in trading. They lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. Okay, I get these kind of emails on a daily basis. And if you go, I mean, why 10%? Because if you're not profitable yet, you firstly need to make and generate 10% yearly growth. Okay, and this is one of the very huge mistakes which traders make, is that they start calculating their potential performance too optimistically, like 50, 60, 70, or let's see, if I'll do that, I'll double my account in the next year. All right, very perfect, but firstly make it 10% and then you will double account. Okay, and the good analogy is when we are a little toddler, we firstly learn how to walk and then how to run, and it is exactly the same in trading. Okay, firstly we need to become slowly profitable by making little profits, and then we aim for bigger profits. So step by step, okay, step by step. So 10% yearly growth is a good number. Okay, and if you're able to pull 10% yearly growth each year for the next 5 to 10 years, you will have a lot of money from investors. Believe me guys. Okay, investors care much more about stability, security, managing the risk, and not so much about the profit. I'm talking about serious investors, not retail investors from MQL and all the signals providers. Okay, now you might be upset because you've just realized that 10% or even 30% is simply too little money based on your account, based on your money you have. Okay, and that your expectations were higher. Okay, but I would like you to research more about the compounding effect. Okay, and if you're watching that later, the link about the compounding effect might be down there in the description, but if not, Google what is compounding effect. It's why people in general and investors and traders get wealthy, rich. Okay, so I would just like to tell you the last truth. It is possible to make like 5 to 10% growth per month. Okay, and to be honest with you, I did it in the past with scalping, but this is not the way how you stay in the markets for years. Okay, these are high risk, aggressive trading styles, and this is where traders fail. Okay, I rarely met a trader who is failing trading weekly and daily time frame. Okay, it's much higher chance that you'll win if you're going on a higher time frame. This is why we focus on swing trading, because it's easier, it's simpler. Okay, so forex swing trading is a beautiful way to make consistent profits on a long run, and we actually aim to spend as little time in front of the charts as possible, because we have other obligations, guys. Okay, and think of your family, think of your passions. Right, trading is just a way to make money, and if you don't have money, you can't earn it, you can't make it. Okay, trading is not zero investment opportunity. Okay, if you need money, if you truly need money for a living, to pay bills, if you're looking for extra cash, go into sales, go and sell your things in your house, find extra job, go into sales, go on Fiverr.com and share, earn by sharing your skills. Okay, so don't trade, guys. And I mean, I'm so I would just like to save the world, guys, from retail traders from making this mistake to gamble. Okay, it's not gambling. It's not gambling. Trading is not a hobby. Trading is a serious business, and you need money in order to make it. You can't get rich quick. It doesn't exist. And focus on the process, and money will follow. Here on the right side, this is the 3-combo strategy I trade. Okay, and how do you think I achieved that consistency? How do you think? Do you think that I was saying, oh, I have to make 1% each month to buy that? No, I was just focusing on the process, just finding my edge. What's my perfect setup? Trade only one setup, trade higher time frames, find traders and people who are supporting me, evaluating my trades. Okay? And this equity curve, you can see it's a MyFixBook verified account, real account, okay? And that performance is just the result of focusing on the process, of being highly self-aware, of achieving 3 C's, which you can see the link above, okay? On the right, in the right corner, okay? So this is really the message for you guys. If you're looking for get rich quick with trading, just stop trading. Just leave it. And what's the solution if you don't have money? Practice. Practice on a demo account for 1 year, 2 years, for example, 3 years, and save the real money, okay? Save real money, work, save money, save money, save money. And when you'll get to around $5,000 to $10,000, then it's even worth to investing into a Forex trading, okay? And I might be going right now against my interest, right? But this is the reality. If you don't have money, you can't make it. So the solution for you is to really learn how to trade. Learn, find mentor, find the profitable traders, practice testings, observe charts, find your niche, edge, and save money, learn how to trade, and when you will feel ready after a few years, okay, then invest into your trading account with full knowledge, okay? So knowledge is the must. Okay, don't think it's not a casino, right? It's serious business. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope that I've provided some new value to you, that you have learned something new. And if you'd like to see more these kind of presentations, click like and also subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting much more regularly in the upcoming months, right? And also for the end, if you would like to learn how I actually use moving averages in the market, there's a free ebook down there. Look, guys, if you need some guidance, if you need some help with trading, let me know down in the comments below, or even write an email, and I'll do my best to provide you even more personalized value. And until then, guys, wish you a successful week, and stay well and stay healthy. Bye bye.